Revizto is being promoted as an all-in-one BIM collaboration and coordination platform, but the real question is whether it's actually useful for construction planning or just another complex tool. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Revizto is a legit, widely used construction software designed to connect architects, engineers, and contractors in one shared environment. However, here's the key point. It's excellent for coordination and issue tracking, but not a full planning solution on its own. There are some strong positives. First, powerful collaboration. Revizto centralizes 2D drawings, 3D BIM models, and project data into one platform, giving teams a single source of truth. Second, real-time issue tracking. One of its biggest strengths is the ability to detect clashes, assign issues, and track resolutions across teams, which helps prevent costly mistakes before construction starts. User feedback is generally positive, with ratings around 4.3, 4.6/5, especially for ease of use and coordination features. That said, there are limitations. First, not a full planning tool. Revizto lacks strong features for scheduling, budgeting, resource planning, so it usually needs to be paired with tools like Procore or Primavera. Second, learning curve and setup. While basic use is easy, advanced features like clash detection and data filtering require setup and experience. From real user discussions, great for coordination, but not the right tool for everything. So, is Revizto good for construction planning? Yes, but only for certain parts of planning. The bottom line is this. Revizto is excellent for BIM coordination, clash detection, and team collaboration, making it very valuable during pre-construction and design phases. But for full construction planning, timelines, costs, logistics, it works best as part of a larger software stack, not a standalone solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.